So in this problem we have to solve for x and y. So two equations are given. The first is x cube plus y cube is equals to 5 and the second is x square plus y square is equals to 3. So how will you solve this problem? Now if you look closely at these two equations, you can observe that in the first case you have x cube plus y cube and in the second case you have x square plus y square. So this gives me a hint, that is I can use algebraic identities because both x cube plus y cube and x square plus y square can be expressed in terms of x plus y, either x plus y cube or x plus y whole square. So let us try to see these algebraic identities and then we can re-express. So we have x plus y cube is equals to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. So from here I can write that is x cube plus y cube is equals to, so this will be x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y. Similarly, the another algebraic identities, that is x plus y whole square. So this is equals to x square plus y square plus 2xy. This means x square plus y square is equals to x plus y whole square minus 2xy. So now I can basically plug these two equations, that is this value and this value. That is algebraic identity. So we have two algebraic identities and we can plug these values in equation 1 and equation 2. So let's call this as equation 1 and this is equation 2 for the time being. So let us put these values. So the first equation will become x plus y whole cube minus 3xy into x plus y, and this is equals to 5. And the second equation, this will become x plus y, so I am using this formula. So this will become x plus y whole square minus 2xy, and this is equals to 3. So now if you look closely these two equations, you have x plus y, x plus y, x plus y, and you have xy and xy. So I can make a further substitution. So let x plus y is equals to a and x times y is equals to b. So with this substitution, the first equation, that is this one, now we can further write or rewrite. So this will become aq minus 3ab is equals to 5. Similarly, I can also rewrite the second equation. This will become a square minus 2b is equals to 3. So now I have two equations and I can solve. So let's say this is the first equation and this is the second equation, and two unknown we can solve. So from equation 2 I can say b is equals to a square minus 3 this divided by 2. So this is from 2. Now let us plug this value in equation 1. So if you plug this value in equation 1, you will have aq minus 3a, and the value of b is a square minus 3 divided by 2, and this is equals to 5. So let us multiply by 2 throughout. So you will have 2aq minus 3a times a square minus 3, and this is equals to 10. So this becomes 2aq minus 9aq plus 9a is equals to 10. So if you further simplify, then this will be 2aq. So let me write here. So this is 2aq basically I made a mistake. So this is not 9aq. So this will be minus 3aq. And then I can write this is 2aq minus 3aq plus 9a minus 10 is equals to 0. Or I can further simplify. So this becomes minus aq plus 9a minus 10 is equals to 0. Or I can write aq minus 9a plus 10 is equals to 0. So now this is a cubic equation. So how will you find solution of this equation? One solution you can find using guess or hit and trial method. So let us have some guess. Let us try a is equals to 1. So this will become 1q minus 9 into 1 plus 10, which is not equals to 0. Let us try a is equals to 2. So we will have 2q, which is 8, minus 9 into 2, which is 18, plus 10 is equals to 0. This means a is equals to 2 is a solution, or a is equals to 2 is a root of this equation. So now you can say that a minus 2 is a factor of this equation. So you can divide this equation by a minus 2, and then you can get the other factor. Traditionally you can also divide. Or you can add 2q and you can subtract 2q. So the second method, if I follow, I can write aq plus 2q minus 2q minus 9a plus 10 is equals to 0. Now I will take these two terms together. So this will become 18, and the left is aq minus 2q minus 9a plus 18 is equals to 0. Now this term, that is aq minus 2q. So this term is what? This is aq minus bq. So the formula for aq minus bq is a minus b into a square plus b square, and here we have b is equals to minus b is equals to 2. So a square plus b square plus ab, that is 2 times a. And then here you have, if you take 9 common, or in fact minus 9 common, so you will have a minus 2, and this is equals to 0. This means now I can take a minus 2 factor throughout, because you have a minus 2 here and you also have a minus 2 here. So you can take this common. So this becomes a minus 2, a square plus 4 plus 2a, and this will be minus 9 is equals to 0. This means a minus 2 multiplied by a square plus 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. So we have two possibilities. Either this term is 0 or this term is 0. So let us consider two cases. We will consider first case 1, that is a minus 2 is equals to 0. This means a is equals to 2. And if you remember, b is equals to a square minus 3 by 2. You can see here. So you see this expression. What is b? b is a square minus 3 by 2. So now I can calculate b. a is 2 square minus 3 by 2. So this is simply 1 by 2. And what was a and b? Because we have made a substitution. So a is x plus y and b is x times y. So let us use this fact. So a is x plus y So this means from here I can say x plus y is equals to 2. And what was b? b was x times y. This means xy is equals to 1 by 2. So now I have x plus y, I have xy, then I can calculate x minus y and I can solve for x and y. If you remember, I can write x minus y whole square. This is equals to x plus y whole square minus 4xy. This means x minus y is equals to a square root of this term. So this becomes x plus y is 2. So square of 2 is 4 minus 4 times 1 by 2. That is a square root of 2. So now I can solve for x and y. So x plus y is 2, that is given here. If you see, x plus y is 2 and x minus y is equals to plus minus root 2, because if you take root, then this will become plus minus root 2. So this is plus minus root 2. So x minus y is equals to either root 2 or x minus y can be minus root 2. But x plus y is always 2. So now I can solve these two equations and I can find value of x and y. So in this case, 2x will be 2 plus root 2. 2 plus root 2, or x will be 1 plus 1 by root 2. And what will the value of y? Y will be simply 2 minus x, that is 2 minus 1 minus 1 by root 2. So in this case, y will be 1 minus 1 by root 2. Similarly, I can find for this pair, this xy cancelled out, y cancels out. So we will have 2x is equals to 2 minus root 2. So x will be 1 minus 1 by root 2. And what is y? What is y is simply 2 minus x. This means 2 minus 1 plus 1 by root 2. So this is 1 plus 1 by root 2. So in this case, the solution is, so this is case 1. You have two solutions for xy in this case. What are the solution? You have x is equals to 1 plus 1 by root 2 and y is equals to 1 minus 1 by root 2. And here from the second case, you have x is equals to 1 minus 1 by root 2 and y is equals to 1 plus 1 by root 2. So this is the solution that you will get from the first case. So this solution that is coming from the first case. Okay. Now let us consider the second case. What was the second case? So this term can be 0. That was the second case. So let us consider case 2. So from case 2 I can say a square plus 2a minus 5 is equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So you will have two roots in this case. And if you remember, in case of quadratic equation, roots are given by minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now b is 2, so minus 2 plus minus b square is how much? 2 square minus 4 times a times c, and c is minus 5. This divided by 2. So you will have minus 2 plus minus, and this is 20 plus 4, that is 24 divided by 2. So this is minus 2 plus minus 2 root 6 divided by 2. So you have two solutions. In this case, minus 1 plus minus root 6. So this is minus 1 plus root 6 or minus 1 plus minus 1 minus root 6. So two possibilities you have for a. So a can be minus 1 plus root 6 or a can be minus 1 minus root 6. Now I am not going to solve all the problem. You can try on your own. Basically, once you know a, b, then you can calculate x and y. So we calculated a. So here I have calculated value of a. So you see this is the value of a. Now what is b? b is simply a square minus 3 by 2. So you can calculate the value of b. And you also know how the a be related to x and y. So if you remember, x plus y is equals to a and xy is equals to b. So using these two equations, you can find value of x and y. So let us try on your own. Basically in this case you will have more cases. When you have the first case will be, so from this case number 2 you will have sub case. So sub case 1, sub case 1, in that case you will have a is equals to minus 1 plus root 6. Then you find the value of b and then you find the value of x and y. Similarly, you will have sub case 2. Sub case 2, you find you have a is equals to minus 1 minus root 6. Then you again follow the same steps. You calculate value of b and then you calculate the value of x and y. So you try on your own and give your answer in the comment box. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoy, please share with your friends, like to this video and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.